In the previous video, we talked about how to use text hierarchy to guide your viewers' attention and make your designs look more structured and professional. If you're new here, or even new to the tool we're using, which is Canva, I highly suggest you watch our 20-minute course first before diving into this entire series. It's a short but comprehensive guide that will teach you everything you need to know to master the tool in just 20 minutes. Also, quick disclaimer, if you're serious about becoming a graphic designer, you need to start from the very beginning of this playlist and follow through every episode step by step. Each video is designed to build on top of the previous one, so skipping ahead might cause you to miss important concepts that will affect your progress later on. In this episode, we're going to talk about why your designs look messy and the spacing mistakes you must fix. And the goal here is to help you create clean, balanced layouts by understanding space and scale. So you have positive space, which includes all your elements like text, images, and shapes. You also have negative space, which is the empty space around them. Most beginners try to fill every corner, which makes the design feel cramped and overwhelming. But here's the part most people miss. Even if your spacing is correct, your design will still look messy if your scaling is inconsistent. Scaling refers to the size relationship between elements. If everything is almost the same size, nothing stands out. If sizes are random, the design feels chaotic. You need clear contrast. For example, your main subject or headline should be significantly larger, supporting elements should be medium, and minor details should be smaller. Now combine that with spacing. Related elements should be closer together, while unrelated ones should have more space between them. Inside Canva, this becomes easier because of the built-in alignment guides. As you move elements, Canva snaps them into position and shows spacing distances so you can tell if something is too close or too far. Use these guides to keep spacing consistent and scaling intentional. Once you balance both spacing and size, your design will instantly look cleaner, more organized, and more professional without adding anything new. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have now learned how to fix messy designs by combining proper spacing with correct scaling. If you want to continue improving, make sure to watch the next episode in this series, which you'll find in the pinned comments down below. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.